Hi, my name is Joel Willis, and I am with Timer Industries. We're coming to you today from beautiful Nampa, Idaho. Well, today's not maybe quite as beautiful as most, but it's probably around freezing outside, but it's really nice and warm in our shop here. So we're going to take advantage of the inside temperatures, and we're going to show you how to mix up and use our newest product. This is ShineCoat. This is a UV resistant resin. It's a 2-to-1 resin. We just want to give you the directions on how to use it properly as well as how to mix it up. So if you have questions, keep watching the video because we'll probably answer them. To mix up the ShineCoat resin, what we're going to do is we're going to just bust into this package here. So this is your part A resin. This is part B. This is the hardener. This is the actual resin. So how we're going to do this is mixed in a 2-to-1 ratio. You can do this by volume or by weight. The first thing you need to do when mixing up any of our resins is get safe. So put on some gloves. You know, these guys work good. And some safety glasses. So, you know, it's just better to be safe than sorry. So here we go. Okay, to start with, what we're going to do is we are going to take our resin, our part A resin, which is the bigger of the 2 bottles, and we are going to pour in 2 parts of the resin, and then we will pour in 1 part hardener in a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in about 200 milliliters by volume. Right there. Next, I am going to pour in the hardener. Cut the foil cap off. I'm gonna drop the foil cap in. Anyway, then I'm gonna pour in another 100 milliliters after I get this out. Oops. Boy, this video is not going super well. Sorry, everybody. So, hardener. Now I'm gonna pour in about 100 milliliters. Alright, right there is 300 total milliliters. 200 milliliters of the resin, 100 milliliters of the hardener. Now, we're going to take our stir stick. This is rocket science. We are going to start stirring it in. So, what we're going to do is we are going to stir for about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, really, depending on the heat in the room. The warmer the ambient temperature is, the less you probably need to time you need to spend trying to incorporate everything. But you really want this stuff to be very, very mixed together. So as you do it, scrape the sides of the container like so, and scrape the bottom, and do your best to incorporate everything and get it really well mixed. So we're going to speed up the tape right here, and we're going to come right back. Alright, so I have been mixing for about 3 to 5 minutes, and I feel pretty good that it's pretty well incorporated at this point. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my first cup, and I am going to actually pour this into a second cup. The logic here is that when you pour it into a fresh cup, all of the parts will just have an opportunity to get mixed together again. And if you had anything sitting on the edge or something wasn't fully incorporated, you don't have it stuck on the sides. So use the second cup, mix again, and again, you're going to want to mix this for 3 to 5 minutes. Again, just continue to stir. You really want this to be well incorporated. It really helps in terms of just getting the chemical reaction to work correctly. So again, 3 to 5 minutes, scrape the sides, scrape the bottom, and continue to mix. So 3 to 5 minutes, here we go. Okay, now I've stirred for the second time, and I have also given an extra couple minutes to allow the bubbles, well, really more than a couple minutes. It's usually, it depends, but I wouldn't let it go any more than 8 minutes, but just enough time to allow the bubbles to rise to the surface of the mixture. You want to let it rest so the bubbles move up. So just for demonstration purposes, I have taken an old shipping tube, and I'm just going to pour the ShineCoat into the tube. All right, and what'll happen is this will sit. This will cast a new piece. When it's done, we'll just cut the tube off. It'll work great. So, real simple stuff, really effective. You can use it in lots of different situations. So, if you have any questions, give us a call. Our phone number is 208-718-2133. Once again, that's 208-718-2133. You can also email us at questions at oldtimerindustries.com. Questions at oldtimerindustries.com. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a product review on Amazon or on our website. Hopefully we can, continue to do business with you in the future. Thank you.